Hi Capricorn, this is your next 7 days reading. I'm going to look at the energies at this time. I've taken out your cards and clarified them, and I have some information to tell you. And let me tell you, it is looking good. So, in your environment is the King of Wands, and this is for the sun sign, moon sign, rising sign, the collective of Capricorn people having substantial Capricorn energies in their chart. This is for them. So the King of Wands actually is usually not your energy, but at this time the King of Wands energy is giving you some force or passion in your work situation. Usually the wands are for work, so you will have a new enterprising mind, or you will be ready to take on adventure at this time. And the clarification here is telling me, with the page of pentacles and the sun card, the source is giving you clarity. So sun is giving you clarity, vitality, courage to accomplish in your work situation. In terms of your love, you could be looking for new love, or you could be having great power of persuasion in this time period. So basically, with the page of pentacles, some new energies are coming in. Your skills, your enterprise is going to be uh, in the forefront. So basically, you will have some skills being used in this time period. You'll be using those skills that you have. You could be very creative, you could be passionate regarding achieving in this time period, and success is coming to you, vitality is coming back to you, adventure spirit, and also traveling spirit is coming to you. Some of you could be taking a vacation as well, going to far off lands maybe. So with the eight of wands, progress is coming to you with very fast energy. There could be lot of information coming to you. Again, wands energy could be work situation. So in your personal life or in your work life, this is a progress, this is a sign of progress and fast movement. So something is moving very fast for you in this time, like very fiery energies. This is clarified by the page of cups, the ace of cups, and the six of pentacles. So money coming in, compensation coming in, blessings coming in some form, gifts coming in. So in terms of love, it's a win-win situation. New love, new feelings, renewal. In terms of your health, you could be feeling better, you could be feeling rejuvenated. In terms of your job, a new opportunity could be working out for you with a promise of some money situation becoming better for you. So this is happening in this next 7 days. So the death card and the sun card is the big energy. So something is transforming in your life. So a change, turnover, turning point, this is happening. So the death could be that an ending of one situation is happening with the ten of swords, where you were worried, tense, or the things were not going so well. With the ace of pentacles, new opportunity to make money, have stability, or a proposal of marriage for some of you, long term stability with a person of wealth is coming in for you. So there is an ending of drudgery, there is an ending of pain, there is an ending of a situation where you had not given up. You were in the nine of wands, you were very bold, but still that energy is changing. And with the sun card, your situation is becoming happier, better, and rejuvenation and success is coming to you. So in terms of love, or in your job, there is an ending happening with the death card coming again. These are clarification cards. So what is ending? Ending of betrayals, ending of getting the short end of the stick. Four of pentacles ending. So this is an ending of conservatism, or always trying to hold on to things, or always in a fear of loss. So that situation is ending. There is good news coming in with the Page of Wands. Enthusiasm is coming. Long term wealth situation will become better with the Ten of Pentacles. So a long term situation is in the picture. There is legacy wealth creation, and there is an improvement in that. So basically, underlying energy at this point is you will be making a decision to get out of a stalemate, get out of an inertia of rest, get out of a situation that was not workable. So with the Hangman energy, it is letting go energy, it is sacrifice. So you will be sacrificing something to enter into a much more abundant situation. So the Empress is coming in, so sacrificing a situation that was you will take a new perspective regarding a situation that was like always in some kind of fear, or something which is always at a level which is lesser. So you will change that, you will let go of that, and you will step into a much more abundant situation with the Empress card. So you will be entering into a new situation that is abundant in love, abundant in terms of money, or in the environment. So natural growth situation, so you will be stepping into that. And what will be happening is Eight of Pentacles, that is, work towards it, planning towards it, taking new classes, new learnings, or working on that, reworking on new situations, new beginning with the Two of Cups, or association or alliances with people. With the Queen of Wands, this could be an opportunity which you will not miss. And with the High Priestess, you will have the knowledge that this is what you need to go towards. So intuitively you will make a decision to grab an opportunity, work towards that. So Justice card is justice energy is your outcome. So the Justice card has come for you. This is balance in your situation, new legal situation, new contract coming to you. With the Queen of Pentacles, this is your energy. You will be looking towards practical new situation where you will be stepping into. And finally, karma justice is taking place because you have prepared for it, you have worked hard for it, and this Eight of Pentacles will take you to this long term Ten of Pentacles that you are looking out for. So you will be in the energy of nurturing, caring for your job, money, career, finance, or your personal life, and justice is coming to you. Some of you getting new legal contract, some of you getting associated with a partner, or a new love or a marriage situation for some of you. So new legal situations or legal things coming in your favor. So formally, officially, in letter and spirit, you are achieving a new opportunity at this time, Capricorn. So let's read out the advice card from the Angels and Ancestors deck. The Shield Maiden card has come for you. This is asking you to make plans and focus. So have a plan or strategy in place before moving forward. Taking some time to assess what your next steps will be. All great warriors have a plan. So you have been a great warrior, and you have this independent achiever spirit at this time. But you are in the King of Wands energy, who sets out to achieve something with goals in mind, and they definitely achieve that. So you have to make your plans. You are sensitive being, and if you are not prepared for the tasks you are taking on, you could end up feeling exposed and helpless. So take what you can do. The ancestor guidance that is coming to you now is reminder that you have a warrior's heart, and that you have it within you to be more prepared and focused from uh, for something that you have acquired recently. So have a strategy in place and then let your guides support you as you move forward. So definitely new achievements are coming to you. Have hope in your situation, Capricorn. Have hope and try to focus on your spiritual strengths as well. Whatever may be the burden on you, there will be another, some guide or angels supporting you. So, ask for what you want. Have hope in your situation. Things are changing for you because you have suffered in silence. You have gone through deception and envy, but situations are now over. Those situations are over. The death card and the sun card definitely tells us a new chapter, a new situation is coming to you, and you are transforming yourself to move towards the new target, and you will achieve that. So Capricorn, if you have liked this reading, please like and subscribe. If you have something to say to me, write it in the comment box. People who are going through difficulties can contact me for a personal reading. uh, and you can write to me through the email ID in the description box, and keep watching this space. I'll be posting more readings because the March reading you guys saw and you said that nothing is in our favor, or some of you said that, but most of you said thanks. But your situation is changing. However, you are going through difficulties, or some struggles, but your situation is getting coming into light, and things are going to change for you. Opportunities are coming to you. You will be able to achieve if you plan and focus and move forward with a target. That is for sure. So if you have understood this, you can go back to the March reading, and then after listening to this, you can go back to the March reading and understand it better. So take care. Bye bye.